Yeah, that's me. Don't worry about being confused, because I sure was the first time it happened. So, to give a little context, let me show you the first time that it happened. Alright, boys, where are we dropping? Oh my god. Now that you have a bit of an idea of what's going on, I can explain it a little bit better. Basically, I'm blacking out in between sneezes, skipping through time practically, where sometimes something good would happen, like skipping a whole work shift, so basically sneezing and getting paid for it. To maybe something that's not quite as great. I'll let this one explain itself. You get my point. Now, I never thought to seek any help. I'd never heard of anyone who had ever done this, nor did I think anybody would believe me. Anyways, I kind of just lived with it. I never really jumped more than a few minutes, just maybe an hour max, but that was until the night. Hey, what's going on?
Hi.
Hey, are you going to Aaron's party tonight?
Yeah, if I finish this paper in time.
What time do you think you'll be done?
7:30.
7:30? All right, cool. Want me to give you a ride?
Yeah, please.
Awesome, that'd be great. I'll talk to you then.
All right, cool.
All
Thanks,
right,
bye.
bye. The stage was set. It was going to be a normal night. I had figured out where I was going to go. I was planning on who I was going to go with. I was getting ready like it was going to be any other normal night on a Friday. So what made tonight so different? What made tonight the night? Well, it was going to be a normal night until... Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, my God. I missed the party.
Dude, what happened last night?
Dude, I am so sorry. I, don't even know. I couldn't even tell you what happened.
There were so many pictures posted. It looked like it was so much fun. We were supposed to be there.
I can't even tell you what happened. I'm really sorry. This was it. This was the thing I had been most afraid of. This is what I figured would happen if I didn't figure out a way to control or to at least manage these jumps, these temporary blackouts, my power, ability, curse of whatever I wanted to call it. I couldn't figure it out. This was the jump. The jump, I had missed a whole night. I had missed more time than I had ever missed before, and I had no choice but to spend a whole nother day in exhausting every resource. I texted everyone I knew, everyone who I could have been around, everyone who's might have been at places that I frequent, and I couldn't find anything. I was looking at maps, had been trying to retrace any step, visiting places I had thought about visiting before. I had really no leads. I'm not a detective. I'm just a student. And I was really starting to give up hope. Until finally, out of seemingly nowhere, almost a divine presence, a last-ditch effort, a last-ditch answer for all my calls, I received a phone call. And this person on the other line, it was no one I had ever heard before. It was a man's voice. It was from a number who I didn't recognize, and he told me that he saw me and he was with me that faithful Friday night that I had lost. It finally seemed that I was going to get all the answers I was looking for, but as fate would have it, as soon as he began to tell me where we were, I No. I was just about to... Come on. Last number.
The number you have reached is not in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the number and dial...
No. Are you kidding me? No!